Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created my 2021 vision board, and I'm going to be talking you through how to create your own vision board that really will help you to manifest whatever it is that you're wanting to bring into your life in the new year. So I first started off by getting really clear on my vision, and I did this by doing a lot of journaling, meditating, and just really slowing down and thinking about what it is that I love to do, what it is that I value, and then also just looking at the areas of my life that I really want to focus on and how I want to feel in these areas. So really taking some time to slow down and get really intentional about the kind of goals and visions that I'm setting for my life. I also recently recorded a podcast episode all about this, all about how to get really clear on what it is that you want and how to create a better vision for your life. So I will leave a link to that episode down below if you'd like to go check that out. And so then after I was really clear on my vision for 2021, I spent some time finding some images that represented that vision. This is basically what a vision board is. It's a visual representation of our goals, our dreams, and our wishes. So I spent some time going through Google Images, or you can also use Pinterest or wherever you like to find images, and just pull out some images that represent those areas of your life that you want to focus on, that represent the goals that you want to create, or the perhaps habits or rituals that you want to bring into your life. The other thing that I did is I got my old vision board from this year and I pulled all of the images off because a lot of these images are still very relevant to me. They still really resonate with the kind of vision that I'm wanting to create for the new year. But I did find that my vision board from last year was very cluttered, and instead of being a really clear vision board, it was more just a beautiful collection of aesthetically pleasing images that I got off Pinterest or wherever, but it wasn't really intentional, and it was, like I said before, very cluttered. So I just pulled off all the images and went through them one by one and sorted them into piles of things that still really ring true and things that perhaps don't really resonate anymore. So I just kind of put those to the side and sorted these out because I thought I could just reuse some of the images that still are part of that vision that I'm wanting to create for my life. So the next thing I did is I went ahead and printed out all of these new images, and then I just got a paper cutter and spent some time cutting them out. And this was just a really nice mindful activity, a really nice way to slow down. I put some nice relaxing music on and just spent some time cutting out the images that really represent the vision that I'm wanting to create for my life. So once I'd cut out all the images, I then just spent some time mindfully and intentionally placing them down on that board. And this is just a pin board that I bought from my local stationery store, but you can really use any board to do this. And I just kind of went through and arranged these to fit nicely and trimmed any down that needed a little bit of trimming. And when I was happy with how they were arranged, I just came in with some little push pins and secured them into place. And I decided to put a card from one of my card decks on the board as well because I really love this card. It always comes out whenever I do a card reading. So I thought it would be really nice to put it on my vision board. So I just blue tacked that down because I didn't want to put a pin through it. And I also had this $100 note that my grandfather gave me before he passed away. So I wanted to put that up there to remind me of him. And also because I've heard that it's really good to put money on your vision board if you're wanting to create abundance in your life. So the money here represents the abundance that I'm wanting to create in my life. So that is how I created my vision board for 2021. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really hope that you found it helpful and that it will help you to create a clear vision for your own life and for whatever you want to manifest in the new year. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely go check out my podcast if you haven't already. It's just called Kindful Conversations, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.